So hello guys, we are going to create simple GenAI app using LangChain. Okay, so here these are the credential. Okay, sorry, these are not credential. So we are going to load env. I mean we are going to load API from .env files. That's why we need to write these lines. So we get OpenAI API key. We can access it. Okay, so by using this variable, and this is language tracking, so we can track everything on uh, here, everything on language dashboard like this. I have already show you in next previous video. So here you can see this is my project name AI. Okay, and this is the langchain project. So this is the project name and this is the langchain API key. So I have already show you where do I get my API. Here, this is my lang smith API key. Now I'm going to use a web loader to load the data from website. Okay, so from langchain community dot document loader import web base loader. Okay, so that we can load any URL. So here loader equals to web base loader. Here you can see this is the URL, and here I'm going to print. So this is this print objects. Okay, and here doc equals to loader dot load and docs. Okay, so this will give documents after loading. Okay, from website. Okay, so I have this URL from, we can search this on website. So okay, this is the document and this is the URL, and here I'm going to load this and print this document. Okay, so this give language meant to main content to API documents. So okay, so this is the page content and metadata. Okay, after that I need to after uploading document. Okay, and loading this document, I'm going to retrieve. Okay, so I need to retrieve data from this documents or from this web based loader. Okay, so I can retrieve by using recursive character text splitter. Okay, so here text splitter equals to text splitter. Here chunk size equals to 1000 and chunk overlapping equals to 200. So here document equals to text splitter, and here this is the document. Okay, so first of all we need, if we create any API key, sorry, if we create any generative AI API, sorry, generative AI app. Okay, so if we are going to create any generative AI app, so you need to load the data or data and documents and divide our document into a chunk size. Okay, chunk size, a chunk level overlapping in chunk size, and after that uh, here divide our document into a chunks document and text, and we need to create its vector. After that we need to create vector embedding and store into a vector database. Here we are going to split our text into a document. So here this is the document. Okay, so we have different documents according to the chunk size and chunk overlapping. Okay, so here I'm going to use OpenAI embedding. Okay, so here I'm going to store these embeddings in a vector database. Okay, so here I'm going to pass documents and embedding of because we want to embedding of these documents, so that's why we need to pass these two parameters here in vector database. I mean vector database variable. So here I'm going to go check vector db. So this is the objects. Now I'm going to query it. So I have asked the question, language smith has two usage limit, total, trace and extended. Okay, so this will give result uh, result equals to vector db dot similarity search. So similarity search, this will, I mean this query will go inside the vector database, and according according by using similarity search, this will generate a similar answer to the query. So now we can print the result at 0 page here, dot page content. So this is our answer. Okay, so now I'm going to use from LangChain API import chat model. Okay, so here LLM equals to chat OpenAI model equals to GPT. For these are the, I mean, this is the model. Okay, so here I'm going to create chain and document chain. So from LangChain dot chain dot combine document import create a step document chain. Okay, so this is the kind of chain. I mean type of chain. Okay. From LangChain.core prompt import chat prompt template. So prompt equals to chat prompt template dot prompt template. So here this is the I mean this is the prompt and this is the context. I mean it's input. Okay, so document chain here I'm going to pass here LLM and prompt. So that is it is creating its chain and combine it and give us another variable document chain. Okay, so now we can use this variable from LangChain core documents import documents. So document dot invoke, so ask the question. So this is the input. Okay, and this is the context. Document page metadata. So you can see here this is the this is the response. Okay, and here after that you need to create input retrieval and vector db. So here this is the vector db and retrieve from, we can retrieve our query, ask the query, and we can retrieve our query from vector database as a retriever. So here I am going to create retriever by using vector db as a retriever. So here from langchain dot import langchain dot chain import create retrieval chain. Okay, so retrieval chain equals to I'm creating again retrieval and document chain. So this is the I'm going to print again retrieval chain. So this will generate this context and enable. I mean combining of those two, retriever and document chain. Here get the response from the LLM. So response equals to retrieval chain dot invoke and print the response answer. So this is the answer, and again you can print your response. So this is the response. Response equals to, I mean response context. So this is the context of response.